So today we are going to start chapter 4 multiplication. Before starting the chapter, we have to know some properties related to multiplication. So here are terms related to multiplication. See the number 125 into 6. Okay. So we have to multiply 125 by 6. So this 125 is called multiplicand, 6 is called multiplier, and the answer when we are multiplied 125 into 6, the 750 is called its product. Okay. See the properties of multiplication. Order property. Order property says that when we are changing an order of any number, the answer or product will remain same. See 6 into 5 is, or 5 into 6 gives you 30 only, or 12 into 3 or 3 into 12 is gives 36 only. If you are reading 5 6 or 6 5 will remain same. Grouping property means when we are multiplying the number more than 3 or in making the groups, in that case when the groups are different, the answer or product will never change. See 4 into 6 into 3. Here the first group 4 into 6, and see here in this group the numbers are same 4 6 and 3. Here 4 6 and 3, but the group is changed. First we have to multiply 6 into 3. Why we are multiplying 6 into 3 here and 4 into 6? Because it is in the bracket. You know the BODMAS rule. First we have to solve the bracket. So 4 into 6 is 24 and 24 into 3 is 72. See here 4 into 18. 18 came from multiplying 3 and 6. Okay. 3 6 are 18 and 18 4 are 72. So when we are changing the group, so the product will never change. When we are multiplying any number by 1, the number will remain same, you know, or the number come itself. 7 into 1 is 7, 6 into 1 is 6, or 9 into 1 is 9, 18 into 1 or 1 into 18 gives you the same. Now multiplication by 0. When we are multiplying any number by 0, the answer will remain 0. Any number by 0. See 0 into 6 gives you 0, or 7 into 0 is 0, 0 into 17 or 17 into 0 will always remain 0. Okay, now we are seeing the distributive property of multiplication over addition. See here, we have to multiply 5 into 17. So here the number 17 is distributed into 10 and 7. 10 and 7 means 17 only. That's why here the plus sign is written. 10 plus 7 is 17. Now we are multiplying first 10 into 5, then after 7 into 5, then we will add the product. Okay. See the group it is made here, 5 into 10 and 5 into 7. Okay. So 5 into 10 gives you 50 and 7 into 5 means 35. When we will add, it is 85. Why this property is called distributive property of multiplication over addition? Because here the number is distributed into two parts, and after it is added to get the answer. Okay, or here see the addition sign. That's why distributive property over addition. Now we are going to start the exercise 4a. Write the product without actual multiply. Here you no need to multiply, just write the answer, because you know whenever we are multiplying any number by 1, the answer, the product will remain the number itself, or whenever we are multiplying any number by 0, the 0 will come. Okay, so see, you just count the number of 0 this number is having and put before the number. So the 10 is having only 1 0 and 5 ones are 5. 675 into 100. 100 is having 2 zeros, so here 2 zeros is written, and ones are 675. Now see here 8 into 100. So 2 0 will appear here, and 8 ones are 8. 9 into 1000. So 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 and 9 will come, because 9 ones are. 88 into 1000. So 88 ones are, and this 3 0. Or 481 into 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 481. See this little different. This question is related to other. 600 into 100. Both the numbers are having 0 in starting. 0 0 and 0 0. So what we have to do? We have to count 1 2 3 4. This 1 2 3 4 has to be written, and 6 ones are 6. See here 382 into 20. So we can multiply 20 into 382. Both the things are same only. When we are changing the order, product will remain same. Then we are multiplying by 2. The 0 is written here. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 1 is carried. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Using the order property of multiplication, complete each sentence. Order property means here you have to change the order. Okay. 6 into 4 or 4 into 6. 25 into 37 or 37 into 25 gives the same answer. Okay. 8 into 6 or 6 into 8 or 49 into 409 or 409 into 14. Only we have to change the order. No need to multiply the sum because they are not asking the product. Find the product. 21 into 0. You know that whenever we are multiplying any number by 0 gives you 0 only. 21 into 0, 0. 708 into 0 is 0. Whenever we are multiplying any number by 1, so number itself will be come. 2471 into 1, 2471, or 488 into 1 is also gives the 488. The same number will come. See the next question. Are the following sentence true? Write yes or no. Name the property. 3 into 4 into 5 or 3 into 4 into 5. See, the numbers are remaining same but the group is different. So this is called grouping property. See the next 4 into 1 into 5, 4 into 1 into 5. Here also the groups are different but number will remain same. Okay. This is also called grouping property and this order is correct. 35 into 18 into 5 here also. 35 into 18 into 5, this is also called grouping property. 44 into 15 into 4 or 44 into 15 into 4, this is also grouping property and all the orders are true. See the question number 5. What do you get when you multiply 60 tens or 8 ones? So see in the copy 60 tens and 8 ones. Okay. 60 tens. It means you have to multiply 60 with tens and 8 into 1. 60 into 10 gives you 600 because 1, 2 zeros you count and write and 6 ones are 6. Okay. Into 8. When we are multiplying this 600 into 8, so 600 is having 2 zeros, so 2 0 will be written first. Then 8 6 are 48, 4,800. See the next. Multiply 8 by the sum of the place value and the face value of 4 in 28,457. Multiply by we have to multiply this number by 8 with the